Weighing only 43 kilograms, this pump is easy to handle, through its compact dimensions. Installation is just as easy. Thanks to the integrated air cooling, no coolant circuit is required. All of the operating elements are conveniently located on one side of the pump. A gas ballast switch for pumping condensing vapors, the power socket, the start-stop switch, as well as interfaces for remote operation via a control system or computer. When you connect the EcoDry Plus to your vacuum chamber, you can rest assured no oil or dust will contaminate it, because this dry pump needs no oil and produces no dust, thanks to our clean pumping principle. It's based on a multi-stage roots design. 2 rotors turn in opposite directions at high speeds. They compress the gas as it moves through several chambers until it is discharged. The most important aspect, the rotors do not touch each other or the housing. This keeps your pump wear and maintenance free and your vacuum chamber clean. With the EcoDry Plus, you always have everything under control. The integrated display keeps you up to date on the pump status at all times. As soon as you switch the EcoDry Plus on, you'll notice its comparably low noise level. That is, if you notice it at all. At Leibold, we have made every effort to reduce the noise emissions of each component. The motor and rotors run exceptionally smooth. A silencer integrated in the exhaust ensures that the gas is discharged quietly, even at higher operating pressures. And the acoustic insulation in the pump housing reduces operating noise even further. At just 52 decibels, the EcoDry Plus is less than half as loud as other pumps. With the new EcoDry Plus.
Música